back to my channel. First of all, if you are new here, then make sure to take the little effort and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any update. Okay, so as you people know that I am in 12th standard, commerce with maths. So I recently gave my first 12th exams, the quarterly exams, and I thought to shoot it all while I was studying. So I thought, okay, let's make a vlog, and the basic purpose behind this, I would say that you get somewhere the inspiration. I would also like to share some tips, some techniques which are very basic, but again it plays a crucial role in all of your preparation, right? So I will be mentioning all of those important details in the videos.
So make sure that you watch the video till the end. So I hope you will really like it. Yeah, let's get started.
The very first thing would be to know your syllabus, like what all the chapters are coming in your examination, and then you start with the analysis of your syllabus. For example, I mark with the yellow the chapters I'm confident with, like I know most of the part of those chapters, and I mark with the red those chapters which I am not aware of. I need to study them from the scratch and they will take a lot of time. And I mark with the green those chapters where I feel that I know 50% about it.
So you should arrange your study table in a very neat and clean manner, and for whatever subject exam you are going to have, make sure that you have collected all the material related to that subject, be it your notebooks, textbooks, reference books, or any other thing which will be related to that subject. I ordered also the reference books, and from ordering I wish to tell you about one very nice app. The name of the app is Akudo. So it's a free app and it basically gives you your personalized Visa Platinum card, especially for teenagers as we are under 18, and we can use it to shop from absolutely anywhere, be it Amazon, Nykaa, Swiggy, or anywhere else. Like, the major advantage is that we don't have to go to our parents every now and then and ask OTP de do. We don't have to do it because we will have our own personalized digital card. Also, you can get some rewards by being good at the game of money. Manage more, save more, spend independently, and earn your reward. You can also easily receive money from anyone by just sharing your personal link, and you can send money to your friends or create shops using UPI, which is coming very soon. Also, don't worry, it's completely safe to use. Akudo has partnered with RBL Bank and Visa. The app also helps us to increase our financial literacy, makes us learn the golden principles of wealth and how to think rich, with thought-provoking bit-sized videos and very practical tips. I went through all of their videos and content. It's extremely good. It's very user-friendly interface and easy to use. You just need to add your phone number and do KYC with your parents' phone, which is just a 2-minute process. Also, it has a great saving partition to park your money. You can use the auto save option and it automatically saves your money, so it does all your work. I believe it's a great thing for us to use it independently and have the practical knowledge about the banking and stuff. Also, the e-card is absolutely free, so I hope that you will check out this app. Right now the link is in the description, or you can just search it in the Play Store. I will highly recommend you to use this app.
A day before exam, you need to do lots of self-study. Explain things to yourself. Also, you can speak while explaining things to yourself or while revising the concepts. It really works wonders for me because then you have a very focused mind and it doesn't wander here and there. But don't do it all the time, otherwise you won't be able to speak another day. And if you write more, you remember more. It's a scientific fact. So please make sure that while preparing for your exam, you are jotting down at least the key points. I got lots of my favorite dishes and sweets to taste. So that was very sweet of my family to provide me everything so that I keep focusing on study. The 2 days or 1 day gap which we have between the exams, we have our continuous online classes. So then I just attend my online classes, and also a day before exam I don't like to go outside. You should go outside at least for a 10 minutes break. So I was just there in my balcony enjoying the view, and it was even raining, so that was pretty good.
have seen my community post, then you would be knowing that I started with this exciting thing that I will be giving the shout out to one of the best comments. First shout out goes to Tithi Thakkar. Very sweet comment. Thank you so much, and I'm very glad to know that you consider all my videos as fabulous, and my notes are helping you out, so it's great to hear it. Keep supporting in the same way, and if you want to get a shout out in the next video, then first of all share the video to at least 3 of your friends, and then come back and comment below that you have shared with any of your genuine comment or feedback, whatever you want to give. So yeah, that's it.
So it would really mean a lot to me if you just hit the like button, and that will give me a little motivation. So if you have managed to watch the video till so far, then you are a very nice audience. Thank you so much. So comment down below with this. Let me know that you have watched the video till the end. And do let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos.